Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making French toast. What you're gonna need for this is this. Essentially some brioche buns. Your favorite coffee creamer. I also have this one. Okay, so grab some eggs. And you can grab some cooking spray. This is butter spray. Okay. First things first is get a bowl. I'm gonna remove my two utensils. Off to the side. And now I just have a bowl. Grab my eggs. Open the eggs. So now I have my bowl and my eggs. And I got a spoon. I'm going to take my egg, basically crack that egg. I am going to take this, come in here, and we'll put the eggs. Okay, now I am going to take my coffee creamer and I am supposed to pour about 3/4 of coffee creamer. I usually pour about a cup. So I open my coffee creamer and I'm gonna pour a good amount of that in there. I definitely don't think I hit a full cup with this because it's pretty empty now. I'm going to take my brand new one. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit more. All right, now I'm going to take this again. Thick, but not too thick, right? That's the consistency you want. So now that that's all said and done, I am going to dip my bread. I'm gonna dip my bread into the mixture, and then I am going to fry it. So let's get into that. So here is my griddle. Have not opened it yet. I'm about to. Right, my griddle's been connected. I am going to turn it on. Right now it's on 4. It takes a few seconds to heat up. In the meantime, I'm gonna take my bread. Take a piece of bread, right? Piece of bread. We're gonna dip it in the mixture. So we might want to flip it. So now it's in the mixture both ways. Okay. We are going to take our spray, shake it, and we are going it's hot. We are going to take this, our little claws. We are going to take the bowl, we have our spatula, and what we're gonna do, basically, we're gonna take some of this. Really, this is all optional at this point. So we're just gonna let it do that for a second. We are just going to repeat the process. Make sure everything's cooking pretty thoroughly. For me, that's usually about a minute on each side, nothing crazy, as you can see. Making sure it's really good on both sides. Okay guys, so now we have our French toast. And you can have this with whipped cream, you can have this with your syrup, with specialty made spreads, but that's it.